Hi, I'm Chris Sheehan, Cold Chain Manager for Araji UK, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing experience with the Climaliner and ResiCold gel packs. So you can see here we've done the H configuration, and what that does here is it prevents any couriers from sticking their hand underneath the flaps and compromising the environment. And what that means is that the cold air stays in here and the hot air stays out. So quickly open this down from the side, open things up, and you can see we've got some ambient product here which doesn't need to stay inside the liners 90% of the time. So these products can be kept at room temperature, maybe until you get to the summer months, and then you just want to add additional coolant to that just to make sure that things don't wilt within transit. So we'll take these out. And then we've got the Climaliner environment with everything kept cool in here. So the method we've used for this packing was the X configuration, and that's been done to give the best protection with multiple layers down the bottom and multiple layers at the top. We can see here that we've got some meats, some pastas and some cheese. And we've got the gel packs, still rock solid, making sure that everything has a point of contact within the environment. And then we have some ready meals and some cheese down the bottom, all kept nice and cool thanks to the paper gel pack ResiCold. We then have the liners, completely paper, nicely slugged into the corners of the box. Perfect and ready to go straight into the curbside recycling. Same with the box and the paper tape. Completely paper based, broken down and ready to go.